First, you need to pair the printer. Open Settings, then open Bluetooth and scan for the printer. The printer name starts with XXRB. Accept the pairing on the handheld device, then tap the check mark on the printer to accept. Tap on the new icon, Mobility, to begin the application. The Hollandia logo will then appear. Tap on Recovery. Tap IPL Load App. Enter the new route number, then tap Start Comms. Tap OK to continue. Log in. You should see the route you downloaded. Tap on the password line to enter the route password 1. Stock. From the main menu, tap on the stock control item, so that we can go accept the load for the day. From the stock menu, select Load. On the next screen you will see the load for the day. If you have a load, tap it to highlight it. The date specified is the load date. It is usually the day before delivery date. From the main menu, tap on the stock control item, so that we can go accept the load for the day. Tap Load. If you have a load, tap it to highlight it. The date specified is the load date. It is usually the day before delivery date. If the load needs to be adjusted, tap Adjust. Otherwise tap Next. To create a load request, tap Load Request from the stock menu. Enter the date the goods are required and click the plus to add items. Enter the product number or letter. Enter the quantity and tap the plus sign to add to load request. When completed, tap Next. Tap Next. Tap Yes to print. You must now transmit the load request. Tap Web Comms. To send load request, tap Start Comms. Customer Operations. To see customer information, tap Customer Operations. Tap on a customer. If there are pre-solds, they will show with the orange ribbon. Touch and hold the customer icon until a pop-up appears and tap Details. This screen will appear with the details for this customer. There are 3 dots. Tap them to add additional fields or see only specific customers. Once a customer is selected, the customer activity list is shown. To create an invoice, tap Invoices. If you have any pre-sold customers, they appear in the Invoice section. Select the pre-sold or select Add a new invoice. The pre-sold will appear automatically in the Sales section. You can also create a buyback or a dump invoice. Enter the product number, quantity, and tap the plus sign. When creating a credit, you must tap on the dump, tab See Picture to the right. When creating a credit for Walmart, use reason code 72. When creating a credit for commissaries, use reason code 90. When creating a credit for Big Lots, use reason code 95. Note that for all other accounts, when creating a credit for out-of-code/loss product, you will use reason code -3. The driver is allowed to credit 4 items only, no exception. If you have any issue processing this step, you must contact your supervisor immediately. On the containers screen, you must enter a quantity for both delivered and returned. Tap Next to continue. In the summary screen, it shows all invoices created. Tap Save to continue. If ready to sign, tap Yes. Sign the screen. If the document printed OK, tap Yes. If you do not require a duplicate, tap No. If you wish to send the invoice via email, tap Yes. Select the appropriate email service. Either enter an email address or it may already be pre-populated. Tap Send from the email provider. If a post void is needed, tap on the invoice. Select the 3 dots on the tap right and tap Delete. Tap Yes to void the invoice. If a duplicate of the invoice is needed, tap the correct invoice. This is only available before the invoice is uploaded. This invoice cannot be edited, tap Next. Tap Print for a duplicate. If collecting money, tap AR, then tap Collect AR. Select the invoice being paid if there is more than one. Also shows the total collection. Tap Next. Enter the amount that was paid, then tap Next. If a receipt is needed, make sure the slide is on the right if a receipt is needed. If a check is needed, tap Add. Enter the check number and the amount. If short, it will confirm to proceed. Tap Yes or No. Tap Next to continue payment. If a payment was received, it will be seen in the Collect AR screen. If you are done with the customer, tap Complete Visit. If customer has been serviced, tap Mark as Serviced. If the customer did not receive service, select Non-Service Reason. Select the appropriate reason for no service. The customer once serviced will move to the Service tab on the customer screen. Utilities. By tapping Utilities, we'll take you to the Utilities menu. You have the following options: language, select appropriate language. Sorting order, select either ascending/descending order. Printer, select the printer type. Printer test, perform a test on the printer. Perform comms, communicate with server. Reset route, change route. Build database, create a new database. Versions, view which version of software the device is on. Interactions, view or view all interactions. End of day. From the main menu, tap on End of Day. This will start your read process of closing out the route. If you are ready for end of day, tap OK. Next is the Unload Fresh. Select the item, then the reason code from the drop-down menu. This stock returns to the freezer. Tap Next to continue. If ready to sign, tap Yes. Sign the screen and tap Next. Next is the Unload screen. This screen has 4 tabs at the top: Returns, Spoil, and Containers, and is used to unload the inventory. Next screen will be the Stock Adjustment screen. This function is for you to true up your truck. It should show what is left on your truck after unloading. Next is the Reconciliation. Payments can be entered here. Tap Next. Tap OK to print all remaining end-of-day reports. Finally, you can use your device to communicate all of your daily activities. Tap Start Comms to begin. End of day must be completed to send all data to the server. Tap OK after the upload has completed. You will then be ready to begin the day again.